Aloha, I'm Suzie Cooney. Thanks for joining me today on Maui's beautiful North Shore. I'm here to tell you how important stand-up paddling is in my life and all the great health benefits it can give you too. I'm a fitness expert. I'm also a model, and staying in shape is really critical to what I do, but it's also a great way to have some fun. Today I'm going to take you on the water with me and show you how it's done. Grab your paddle, grab your board. You are going for the ride of your life. Come join me. Now we're heading to Maliko Gulch. This is the famous Maliko Run, 10 miles of fun. We're passing Ho'okipa and the waves are topping out at about 8 feet and the winds are howling at 40 to 50 miles an hour. I'm gonna get my butt kicked, but I don't care. This is where I play. Let's do it. You know, even the best of us go down sometimes. With all my training, I still get munched. It's not as bad as it looks, but you know, I just get right back up and I paddle even harder. And my mantra is, live it, ride it, and don't close your eyes. Believe in yourself to go a little faster, harder, and smile big. Well, that was super fun. I hope to see you on the water soon.